Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to extract data from Google Map Data Scraper. Alright, so first thing first, you want to go to your Chrome and then you want to search for Phantom Buster. Yeah. Okay, this one. Can scroll down to this one, then you click on it. So once you're on the app, the first thing you want to do is start a free trial. Okay, you want to create an account and then start. Alright, so you create an account. So once you sign up, you should be on this page. I'm gonna click on Google. Alright, so we have Google Map Search Extractor, and so this is the best one to use. So you're gonna click on use this flow. Okay, so right here you need to give your searches in one following format. So you can input the keyword like let's say doctors or dentist and Los Angeles, all right, like this. Or you can also use the URL in Google Maps. So if you go to your Google Maps and then search dentist in Los Angeles, you can copy the URL and paste it here, then you click on save. Okay, so number of results to scrape per search 120. You can up the limit, the number. Okay, language English, you can change the language. Okay, so then you click on save. Okay, so what do you want to scrape? Do you want to scrape the Facebook page, Instagram profiles, Twitter profiles, LinkedIn pages, YouTube, phone numbers? Then you click on the ones you want to pick. So I'm just going to click on phone number just for the sake of this video. Okay, then you click on save. So right here it says switch on your flow to get started. So then you switch on your flow. Alright, so we got our result and we have 20 location collected, 20 website scrape. So as you can see, it works perfectly. That's the best way to get a more accurate result. Alright, so if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.